what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my guala, man, that's what I'm on. Full of that broccoli, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Stacking my paper, man, that's what I'm on. Ducking these haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my guala, man, that's what I'm on. Full of that broccoli, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Yeah, I be on some other shit. Came up from nothing hustling. Y'all boys on this sucker shit. Out here begging and the suffering. I ain't asking for no handouts. Hit the streets and got them bands out. Been trill, yeah, I been bout it. Gang sour, had to reroute it. Bigger business, bigger cars, bigger houses, better kush, more thousands. Stand down, stand true. Keep these fuck niggas from round me. Lame niggas wanna down me. Man, but your bitch wanna crown me.
What's up, YouTube? I got this 02 Chevy Corvette here. Just got dropped off about a couple hours ago. Finna get ready to put some Lambo doors on it. So, finna make some room in the shop, pull it in, and get started on it. I will be setting the tripod up with this one so you guys can see how we do it. And that'll be it. He came in last week, ordered the doors. Doors came in yesterday. So now we got 2 days to do it so it can be at the paint shop by Monday. So we're gonna knock it out. Alright, YouTube. See y'all in the next clip. All right, YouTube, I know you saw the time lapse of everything, but we now got the fenders back on. If you guys are not familiar with the Vettes have a little lip that's behind the door. You have to trim that down, and then you have to trim the inside the fender so the door can go up. So we done did all the cutting, as you can see. We done all the cutting on it. So only thing we got to do tomorrow is I actually ended up killing 2 batteries, so you guys didn't get any footage of us cutting the door and the fender, so that's why I'm explaining it now. So all that time-lapse video took 2 batteries. I think the next time I do one, I'm just gonna use the time-lapse feature that's in the camera, in my GoPro, instead of just recording it in normal and then using my software to speed it up. So I think I'm just gonna use the time-lapse feature next time I do it. I think that'll take up less battery and less space. But like I said, man, I'm a GoPro newbie, so still learning this damn thing. But anyway, that's where we at. We're gonna finish it up in the morning. We're still way ahead of our deadline. Tomorrow is Friday. He needed it by Monday to go to the paint shop, so we way ahead of our deadline. So we got all day tomorrow. He can pick it up tomorrow. He can pick it up Saturday. He can pick it up Sunday. So we actually way ahead of our deadline. So, but it'll be finished up tomorrow, be washed, and I'll be going home tomorrow. So, all right, YouTube. The last one here. So, finna lock it down and pull these cars in and go home. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, YouTube, we are done. I'm gonna just show y'all that everything works. Opens up, go up, got it down, close like factory.
Hey B, what y'all do with y'all